In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Gmail account using Google Authenticator. By the end, you'll be able to get back into your account using the 6-digit verification code from the Authenticator app quickly and securely. Start on a computer or mobile browser and go to g.co/recover. This is Google's official account recovery page. It's designed to guide you through verification checks and confirm it's really you. On that page, type the Gmail address you're trying to access. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you enter the exact address for the account you want to recover. Continue, and when you're asked for a password, enter the last one you remember using with that account. Don't worry if it's not current. Even an older password can help Google confirm ownership and move you to the next step. After you submit your best known password, you'll be prompted for a two-step verification code. This is where Google Authenticator comes in. Pick up the phone that has the Google Authenticator app you previously set up for this account. Open the app and locate the entry that corresponds to your Google account. If you've added multiple accounts to Authenticator, double check you're looking at the right one by matching the account label. You'll see a 6-digit code that changes about every 30 seconds. That countdown is normal and is part of how the code stays secure. Now return to the recovery page and carefully type the 6-digit code exactly as shown without spaces. If the code is close to expiring while you're entering it, wait for the next one to appear and then type that fresh code. Be mindful of leading zeros and enter the numbers in order. If the code isn't accepted on the first try, wait for the next code in the app and try again. It can also help to make sure your phone's date and time are set automatically, since accurate time keeps the codes in sync. And remember, never share these codes with anyone. Google will never ask you to read them out loud or send them to someone else. Once the correct code is entered, the recovery flow will proceed and you'll regain access to your Gmail account. From here, follow any on-screen prompts Google provides to finish signing in. That's all it takes. Visit g.co/recover, enter your Gmail address and your last known password, open Google Authenticator on your phone, and input the 6-digit code for your account. Thanks for watching. If this helped you recover access, consider reviewing your security settings after you're signed in to keep your account protected going forward.